guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, over. So today's video is an updated, detailed makeup tutorial featuring some new product. And I haven't done a makeup tutorial in I think a year. Yeah, I haven't really been active on YouTube, but you know, your girl's back. I'm just excited to come back on YouTube. I miss talking to y'all. I miss helping y'all. I miss it all. I miss talking to the camera. I miss getting ready. It's fun. I love posting on TikTok and Instagram, but I feel more comfortable speaking on YouTube. I don't know why. I'm starting to speak more on Instagram and TikTok, but on YouTube I like talking. I don't know. I feel like less judgment maybe. I did my makeup in this video, and then my hair, the video's up there. And oh, look how flawless my makeup is. This is my long lasting flawless makeup routine, you know, and my makeup stays on all day, all night. It does not move at all, and I don't really sweat. And even if I did, I think this is probably sweat proof too. If this is something you're interested in watching and you want to see, you know, my updated makeup routine, then keep watching all the way to the end. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the end of the makeup tutorial. Like, I'm obsessed with this is my go-to makeup, and I love it. And honestly, I tried to do the bright under eye thing. You know, next time I want to do like bright under eye and eyeshadow. Oh, I'm liking her. This is like, I love this makeup. The blush, everything is just, and it's already been like 3 hours since I did my makeup, so yeah, and it's still on. Yeah, this is the one for you. Some of them I just used them today. I had a really fun time. I was going to do a chit chat get ready with me, but I don't know. And y'all, the editing process is so, I need to find a way to make editing more fun. Maybe like put music and like edit outside or something, but editing is what really makes me procrastinate a lot. I don't know why, but we'll find a way around it. Either way, y'all, I look so good. I know it says every single time I look good, but no, this time I really look good. Like, the hair 8, the makeup 8, my nails, oh my goodness, I just got my nails done. Stunning. And also like mental health, right? It's been I think everyone's mental health has really been not the best, especially in these past like 4 years. And then the years are going by so fast. Like, it's already the end of 2024. Crazy. I'm about to turn 22, and like, life is just crazy, honestly. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know down below as well, you know, if you do any of these stuff, and if you use any of these products, and if you're gonna go buy these products, and if you've bought these products that I've used, let me know down below. Some of these products are ones that I recently received in PR, and I've just been using them. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget the hair video is up there, and then I have other videos, I guess it'll be linked down below, or just go on my channel and you'll see them. And turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I upload.